So my channel, it's been growing at a ridiculous rate. Hasn't quite updated here, but I did just reach 1.3k subscribers, which is absolutely insane. This is my phone. I've been using this to record all of my videos on for the past, I've had an SE second generation for almost 2 years, a year and a half maybe. And I think you guys deserve better. So I went on my carrier website and I bought an iPhone 13 Pro. Here it is. For the first time ever, I own the latest iPhone. Very weird thing to say. But yeah, I'm really excited to start making content with this. I have messed around with the cameras just a little bit. They're insane. So just thought I would give a quick announcement that I do have a lot better quality moving forward. I was getting really tired of, I think I need to do an iOS restore on my iPhone SE2 because the camera app kept crashing. So there's a video coming up of me restoring an iPhone 11, but I think that the camera app crashed a few times and didn't save the clips, so there might be some missing footage. And I could have tried restoring iOS, but I was just like, you know what? This is just, I'm at my wit's end. I'm just gonna buy a whole new phone. With that being said, this was expensive. My wallet hurts. If you want to help me out, if you could watch some of my old videos, so I can get some ad revenue, that would definitely, anything helps. But yeah, just thought I would let you know. See you in my new videos.